Hello everyone, in this video we will dive into the trading world, trading on binary options, and I will share one simple but effective strategy based on combination of two indicators with you. If you want to improve your trading skills and increase the probability of your successful deals, stay with us. We will analyze how to use indicators correctly to maximize your profit. Let's get started and discover the new level of trading. The link to the broker where we trade is in the description. Enjoy watching. Firstly, let's add two indicators with the help of which we'll be trading today. We go to the indicators section. The first indicator we need is a MACD indicator. Click it. Add an extra pixel to the green and red lines. Then next indicator we need is the Quotex indicator. Here it is. And we add it and leave the default settings. Now let's figure out how we will use these indicators combined to make money. Okay, first of all, it's important to understand that these two indicators are trend indicators. They help us to determine the current trend and when the trend will be changed. Okay, our task is to pay attention to the intersection on MACD indicator. If we see the green line crosses the red one from bottom to top, this is a good signal for increase. However, we will use these signals when the Quotex indicator also shows an intersection, indicating the price increase. It often happens that there is an intersection on MACD indicator and on Quotex there is no intersection, and in result there is no strong movement. Before we open a position, we look at confirmation factors in form of levels or candles. Now let's move to trading. So I found an entry point and open a 1-minute deal to sell. Let's check what's up here in this situation. In this situation, we have an intersection on MACD indicator. And during this intersection, the green line crosses the red one from top to bottom, which is a signal for a downward movement. On Quotex, there is an intersection too, which also confirms by the signal. As for confirmation factor, I can note that we have a certain support levels at the bottom, which the price will most likely strive for. Also, the last approach of the price was accompanied by great impulsive candle in favor of seller. On this principle will be trading today. Our task is to see the intersection on two indicators and find at least one confirming factor. However, you must understand that the more confirmation factors you find on the chart, the bigger are your chances to close the deal in a profit. So a confident downward movement happened and my deal is closed in a profit. Excellent result. Let's look for the next situation. While I'm looking for the next situation, I would like to tell you to avoid those moments when the MACD indicator shows one intersection almost instantly and then shows a second intersection almost instantly. This phenomenon should be avoided because when MACD shows this something like that, the market is very volatile and everything changes very quickly. And your deal cannot work out due to false signals on indicator. So here I am having found another situation to enter. I open a 1-minute buy deal. While this deal is in process, let's check what we can see on indicator and on the chart. On indicator, I see an intersection on both indicators, and the intersection happens in favor of buyer. Since during the intersection, the green line crosses the red one from bottom to top. As for confirmation factor, I can point out we had a certain level of resistance here, from which we had exact tractions, and this level was broken through. It was broken by a good impulsive full body candle in favor of buyer, which tells me the upward movement will be continued. And while this deal is in process, I'd like to invite you to join my Telegram channel, following the link in the description, guys. There you will find effective signals, thanks to which each of you can start making money on binary options, not spending time on trading. Don't miss a chance to make money together with us. And the deal is closed in a profit, small upward movement and then happened, which by the way even continued. Therefore, I believe the situation has fully worked out. Let's go on. So I opened the downward deal, a sell deal. Let's check what we see on the chart. And I saw an intersection where the green line crosses the red one from top to bottom. This is a signal for the downward movement, and the signal was confirmed by this intersection on Quotex indicator. And as a confirmation factor, I can note that we have a certain support level at the bottom, which the price will, most likely strive for. I can also note that the seller in this movement produced very good impulsive full body candles in their favor. So the deal's closed at a loss, but it's fine. I opened a cover for $5,000 to cover the losses from the previous deal and also make a small profit. As for confirmation factors for my cover, I can highlight this candlestick, which is called a doji. This is a candlestick with a long upper shadow and small body. It indicates a strong seller. I would also like to give you some advice regarding risks. I recommend that absolutely all of you observe risks in your strategy because sooner or later you get a loss. It's fine, guys, and you should be prepared for that in advance to either open a cover or stop trading at zero. So there was a good downward movement in the end, and I'd like to summarize results here, guys. As you can see, in just a few deals, thanks to this strategy, I was able to earn several $1,000s. This is a wonderful result, and absolutely each of you can repeat it, trust me. So, well, if you like this video, please put your like, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new advices and strategies. Also, don't forget to join my Telegram channel, following the link in the description. Good luck in your trading, and bye-bye.